When oil spills out, so does danger. It could cause a fire, it could cause a fall, it could seep down a drain. And it could be a cause for the oil spill kit. Specially designed for oil spillages, the kit takes care of everything. Simply take out the included sock and enclose the spillage. Then place down the absorbent sheets which suck up the oil from the ground. To finish up, put the materials in the blue disposable bag and you're all done. It couldn't be simpler or safer.